Have you ever been in a situation where you've needed to shorten the length of a fence panel, maybe at the end of a run between the last post and the wall of your house? It's a fairly straightforward process. There's a couple of factors that you need to take into consideration before you do it. First thing you need to do is pick which side of the fence panel you're going to have on your garden and which side you're going to have facing out. It's entirely up to you which way you have it. And the second thing you need to think about is which side of the fence panel you're going to cut. So for me, I'm going to be cutting this side because this upright here has actually got a big knot in it and it's starting to split. And although you can't see it on camera, the fence panel itself is actually slightly bowed and it curves off this end. So I'm going to be cutting it around here anyway. This part of the fence panel's good and this part isn't so good, so it's a no-brainer. Okay, measure from here to your desired length. And effectively, all you need to do is these vertical uprights, you need to take them off, they're only pinned in, move it to where you're going to cut it, and then with a handsaw just cut straight through. What you can do is take your first measurement. You can use a strip wood like this, maybe use a clamp to hold it in place, get it lined up, and then you can draw your line. So now what I'm going to do is take this upright off and then move it to this pencil line I've put here. Now with these uprights, you'll notice that there's no nail heads on this side. If you go around to this side, you'll see that they've been nailed in from this side. Both wooden strips are off now. I've hammered the nails back through to the other side. Now I'm going to move it to the new location. We've got them both lined up now with the lines the same that end, and if I lift it up, you'll see it's lined up this end as well. So once you're happy with that and you've got them both lined up, you need to go along and hammer all these down again. So now that's done, I'm going to use a handsaw to cut along here all the way down.